what the arrival of AI devices means for personal data. Apple, Microsoft, and Google are heralding a new era of what they describe as artificial intelligent smartphones and computers. The devices, they say, will automate tasks like editing photos and wishing a friend a happy birthday. But to make that work, these companies need something from you, more data. In this new paradigm, your Windows computer will take a screenshot of everything you do every few seconds. An iPhone will stitch together information across many apps you use, and an Android phone can listen to a call in real time to alert you to a scam. Is this information you are willing to share? This change has a significant implication for our privacy. To provide the new bespoke services, the companies and their devices need more persistent, intimate access to your data than before. In the past, the way we used apps and pulled up files and photos on phones and computers was relatively siloed. AI needs an overview to connect the dots between what we do across apps, websites, and communications, security experts say. Do I feel safe giving this information to this company? CLIP, a director at the National Cybersecurity Alliance, a profit organization focusing on cybersecurity, said about the company's AI strategies. The tech companies say they have gone to great lengths to secure people's data. For now, it's important to understand what will happen to our information when we use AI tools. So I got more information from the companies on their data practices and interviewed security experts. I plan to wait and see whether the technologies work well enough before deciding whether it's worth it to share my data. Here's what to know. Apple Intelligence. Apple recently announced Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI services, and its first major entry into the AI race. The new AI services will be built into its fastest iPhones, iPads, and Macs starting this fall. People will be able to use it to automatically remove unwanted objects from photos, create summaries of web articles, and write responses to text messages and emails. Apple is also overhauling its voice assistant Siri to make it more conversational and give it access to data across the apps. Google AI. Google last month also announced a suite of AI services. One of its biggest reveals was a new AI-powered scam detector for phone calls. The tool listens to phone calls in real time, and if the caller sounds like a potential scammer, for instance, if the caller asks for a banking PIN, the company notifies you. Google said the people would have to activate the scam detector, which is completely operated by the phone. That means Google will not listen to the calls. Google announced another feature, Ask Photos, that does require sending information to the company's servers. Users can ask a question like, when did my daughter learn to swim? to surface the first images of the child swimming. Apple, Microsoft, and Google will need more access to computers and phones. Should we trust them? But Mr. Green, the security researcher, said Google's approach to AI privacy felt relatively opaque. I don't like the idea that my very personal photos and very personal searches are going out to a cloud that isn't under my control, he said.